plus I'm wearing a headset too for the kayak. Hope you get a better angle on that. Oh, that's a nice smallmouth, I guarantee it. He's got in the water. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, nice smallie. He's taking me for a ride. Holy shit. Yeah, so hopefully you guys get a better angle of this. Oh, he engulfed that. Holy shit. Thank God about the pliers. That's a nice... This is gonna be surgery time. Let me see. There you go, guys. And that's a nice one. It's a nice one. No way. No, he ain't gonna make it. All right then. Nice fish, guys. Nice fish. On the yak. Don't jump. Oh, yes. Yes. If I land them. I didn't land them yet. Nice one. Oh, he's in the... Oh, yeah. He's hooked good. He's swallowed it. Holy shit. Damn. That's a nice fish. That's second fish of the day. There you go, guys. That's a nice bass. That's a really nice bass. Alright, guys. There we go. That's a nice one. Probably about 2.5 pounds at least. Yes. Oh, I don't know. I think this is a pickerel. No, it's a smallmouth. There we go, guys. Oh my god. Oh, nice. He's very nice. He's didn't engulf it. That's a nice one. A lot of nice fish today. So. There you go, guys. Nice smallmouth. Very nice smallmouth. Let's release them. Ooh. You chopped them. Oh, shit. There we go. I didn't think this fish was that big, but he was just coming at me. And this is a nice fish. Oh, he's bringing me in. There we go. Ooh, largie. Yeah, he wasn't fighting at all. That was actually a freaking blue. Nice largemouth. Nice largemouth. Holding it to the camera. People are like, what the hell is he doing? There we go. Oof. Nice smallmouth, guys. That was... Oh, no, he's... Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh, he looked bigger than that. Actually, it was the smallest one of the day. Alright, guys, here we go. Another smallmouth. Not bad. Not bad at all. Hopefully I'm showing you the fish good, too, because this is kind of my first time using a headset fishing. Hunting, I use it for, but fishing now. There we go. Right in front of a 50-gram boat, guys. That's a nice one. That's a really nice fish. They're not looking, so there you go, guys. Nice fish. Really nice fish. Nice one today, dude. Really nice. Another nice largemouth, guys. Another nice one. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about moving. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's... Oh, my thing's tangled up. Someone's tangled up. Oh, he's so close. Oh my god. Yes. Another nice fish. That's a nice largie right there. Oh, he's barely hooked. There you go, guys. Another nice fish. Another nice one. There we go. Nice. Nice. Uh-oh. Let's see if he jumps. Let me see if I can make him jump. Oh, no. Never mind. Yes. Let's go. Another nice fish. I think this is a bass. I don't know, it kind of came up weird. Might be a pickerel. Ooh. Something's weird. Something's weird. What the hell is this thing? Oh my god, now it's fighting. Oh my god. Oh my god! Yo, yes. I'm like, damn. I didn't know what it was, but it kind of breached the surface weird. Alright, guys. Now that's a nice fish. Ow! Bit me. Alright, guys. That's another nice fish. Probably about 17 inches. Nice fish. Nice fish. Alright, guys. That's a nice largemouth right there. Ooh! Look at that. Look at that. You freaking bit me. Alright, guys. There we go. Nice fish. That's a nice one there. Yes! Yeah! This guy is fighting weird. I don't know. What the hell is this? It was a smallmouth, but... Ooh, let me show you guys this thing. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, that thing got brutally... Wow, that's the most beautiful smallmouth I ever caught in my life. Wow. Right at the kayak, too. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a really nice smallmouth. Now he's fighting. Now he's fighting. Now he's fighting. Get him in the boat. Kayak, I mean, there we go. That's a decent one. There you go, guys. Another smallmouth. Nice one. Nice smallmouth. Oh, yep. This one's smaller and it's freaking fighting harder. There we go, typical. Ah, shit. Whoa, what? There we go. Yeah, this one fought. Look how smaller this one is, and he freaking fought harder than that. There we go. Perfect. There we go, guys. Smallmouth. Another one. Not as big. I'm just kind of coming in easy now. He was fighting. Oh, he's small. He was fighting really good at first. There you go, guys. Some nice, smallie. One? I'm gonna say smallmouth. He's... Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. They fight so hard for their size. I mean, geez, that's not that big of a smallmouth. Oh, he's alright. There we go. There you go, guys. Oh, getting smaller in size, but still a very, very good day. Here, right? No, you guys won't see him. Oh, well, smallie. Not a bad size one, too. There we go. Yeah, slowed down a little bit. I kind of figured it was going to slow down. And now I'm not getting a size, but getting some decent smallmouth. I mean, that's not bad smallmouth right there. It's not a bad one. Oh, you see, he's biting me. Oh, he's going in. Watch, he's gonna freak out. That's a nice smallmouth. I guess someone's leaving. There we go. That might be the last fish of the day. See me. Oh, okay. There we go. You wanted that. There, guys. That's a nice smallmouth right there. That's a nice one. There we go. Let's release them. Ooh. It's bass. Nice bass here. A nice largemouth. Coming right in. Oh shit, he jumped right in. Nice, dude. Nice, there we go. Still catching them. It's like almost the middle of the day. That's a really nice largemouth, actually. That's a nice one. Jesus. Hey, I think I was going to... Smaller one, but oh well. Hey, better than nothing now. Holy shit. I mean, it's almost the middle of the day. Oh, perfect. Alright, guys. A little smallie. But hey, better than anything right now. I mean, holy shit. I mean, I got 3 right there. Right, really. Oh, what's a nice small. Whoa. Wow. Another nice one. Another nice smallmouth. There he goes. My rod as an oar, like turning my kite, and I got something nice on it. I don't know how. Oh my god. Oh my God, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice one. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. That's the biggest one of the day right there, boy. Yes. I don't know how big he is. I'll measure him up on my rod. Look at that, guys. That's a freaking toad. Yes, yes. All right. That's a nice fish. That's a nice one right there. Nice one for the end, too. Wow. There we go. There we go. Let's see. That's a nice one right there. Yes, dude. Oh my God. There's another nice one. Oh my God. It's going to take me for a ride. Oh shit. Wow. Oh my God, guys. That was a huge fish. Whoop. I don't know what to say right now. Another big one. Oh my God. Please, 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 please let me land this fish. Please, please, please. Oh my God, please, please. Yes, yes, another fucking lunker, dude. Well, not a lunker, but another nice one. Oh my God, guys, the one I lost, this kind of makes up for it, though. That's another sweet bass. That's another big one, dude. That's probably about that one I lost, guys. Oh my God, that was probably about 6-7 pound bass. All right, guys, that's another nice one here. Oh man, nice bass this year, dude. Wow. Probably about another 18-incher. Definitely 18, 19. Not as big as that one, but it kind of makes up for it. And it's 12 o'clock, by the way, too. I was on my phone. Oh my God, he's not as big. He's nice, though. What the hell? Guys, it's 12 o'clock. Worst time for fishing. This thing is crazy. Oh my God. Checking my phone for the time. Holy sh. All right, guys, my dad was talking to me. He thought I was done, that's why. Now look, another nice one. Another one. Oh my God. I have no one, guys. We got through the smallmouth. Now we're on the nice largemouth. Oh, I said nothing could beat the one I just caught. And hopefully you guys saw it jump too. Hopefully this jet ski doesn't freaking hit me. There you go, guys. Nice one here. Nice one. All right, and for the release. Oh, oh my God. What the hell? Oh my God, what is this thing? Yes, yes, yes. That made up for it right there. Yes. Oh my God. Look at that. That's a nice bass. That's about 4.5, probably 5 pound bass. Oh my God. You guys see that rod bend? Holy shit. I mean, damn, dude. Damn. Right in front of a 50 gram boat. Again, he's kind of down far. I don't know how I'm gonna take a picture of this. Oh my God, this is. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What the f. There's another line. Wait a minute. Is this from. Is this mine? Oh my God. It's the same bass. This is the bass that hit. Oh my God. Or, oh wait, no. This is the one that hit the. Well, I'm not going to kill him, so I'm just going to cut the line off. This is the same one that hit when my leader came off. Oh my God, is that the one that came off? There we go. Oh my God, it's crazy. I got my leader back. That's a sweet bass. Picture on, bud. Oh, I got him. That's a nice one. About 4.5, probably 5 pounds. That's a nice fish. That's a nice one. That made up for the one and that's my leader broke, guys. This fish hit the same lure twice. Oh. Look at that. That's sweet. Let's go. What the hell? It's another nice one. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, he's good. He's hooked good. He's hooked good. Yes! Yes! Look, people are leaving. Don't leave until the bite's over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's another probably about... There you go, guys. That's a nice one right there. Probably about 20 inches, I would say. About long. Or 19, 20. It's another nice slob. Another nice... Wow. Very good today. Very good. Let's go. And I said to myself, like, if I shut off. All of a sudden, I just catch him now. Wow, it's crazy. It's big, but he's fighting probably a smallmouth for how big it is. Oh, it's a, whoa. Oh, he's engulfed this time. Oh no, he's not good. He's good. He actually might come off. Let's see. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with me? Just grab the thing, retard. Ooh. Something on. There you go. Nice fish. Nice fish. See, that's a nice bass. Those other ones I was catching were really nice. You don't catch them a lot, like around here, like one after another, too often. Guys, today was a great day. Very, very good day. I mean, a lot of nice bass caught. And when I measured, was like 20 inches too. I know, I was shocked. That was like 18, but it was like 20 something. I don't know, maybe I'll get another measurement, but I don't know if it was 20 or not, but I just measured really quick on my rod. It was 20 inches, 21, so I'll measure it again, whatever. But, that's a giant, probably the biggest of the year. Probably my second biggest bass from the one at the pond, but just a massive bass. I mean, you guys hopefully seen a good shot of it. And hopefully you guys seen a good shot of every single fish too. This is kind of my first time using a headset cam, and yeah, hopefully you guys could get good view of that bass I lost. So you catch some, you lose some. It's the name of fishing. But he was a big one. I always say about 6-7 pounds. I was in disbelief. I was just shocked. Very, very big fish. Well, probably my best day on the kayak too. Very, very, very good day. Great day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.